Hello, today I'm doing tutorial for deduction. When you have to have a job and you have some income, yeah, it's time for you to pay tax every single month. Okay, so where's the tax gonna go? Okay, so the tax that you pay will used by the government and it will provide it to school for education, right? For education, for healthcare, which is for the hospital, and also that for for the services of the police help around is paid for the police, fire department, something like that, and if you need if they need to improve the street or the road or the freeway, well, they will use those money for. Okay. Street or road. Okay, and so on and more. Okay, so based on your monthly pay, we will need to figure it out your monthly deduction. So how much do you earn a month? Monthly income. Okay, let's say Mrs. Tran, when she was at your age, she liked to have pets, so she want to work in Petco. So I actually searched it up to see how much money do I make in a month, and it is about $2,400 per month. Okay, and then I can't bring 2,400 home. I need to pay some taxes. So let's figure it out. How much do I owe the tax? Okay, so I need to pay federal income tax, which is 10% of your earnings, which is from $2,400. Okay, there's multiple way that you can calculate 10% of 2,400. Okay, you can set up proportion if you like. Since I teach my kid, when you see 10%, you will think about 10 out of 100 right away. So you can set up your proportion. So X out of 2,400. Okay, let's do it. So 10 times 2,400 and will be 24,000. I add one extra zero to 2,400, and then I divide to 100. So I'm gonna move my decimal 2 places to the left. So I will pay $240 for the federal income tax. Okay, you can do the same. Set up your proportion to find state income tax and social security tax. Also, there's another way. 4% off your earning off mean multiply. So all you need to do is multiply 2,400 to 4%. Okay, but you need to pay attention. Is 4% percent mean you need to convert it into a decimal before you can multiply it. Okay, so 4% mean out of 100, so that means I'm gonna move my decimal 2 places to the left. Make sure you fill in the zero. So I will take $2,400 multiply with 400. Okay. 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 2 is 8. Add 1 is 9. So I'm going to move 2 decimals to the left. So it is $96 for state income tax. All right. So far you spend a lot of money. All right, pick one way that you like to do to calculate the social security tax. You can do proportion or you can multiply with your decimal. Okay, I think I like the way that I'm gonna multiply with my decimal. So I'm gonna convert 6% into the decimal. 1, 2, and fill in a 0, so it's become 600. And I take 2,400 multiplied with 600. Gonna line them up and multiply them. So it will be 144. Okay, by the way, your income, you have to use your income, okay? That you find in part 2. You can't use my monthly income that I work in Petco, okay? So all your answer will be different with mine. Pay attention to that. Don't just copy everything down. This is just an example of how I find out the percent of earnings, okay? All right, next one. How do you pay in taxes each month? So you pay 3 different kind of tax, so you will combine all that 3 taxes that you just found. Again, your money will be different with mine, okay? So you add your taxes, okay? So I'm gonna practice mine. 6 plus 4 is 10. 9 plus 4 is 13, add 4, 17, add 1, 18. 2 plus 1 is 3, add 1 is 4. So $480 for each month that I have to pay tax. All right, how much will you pay taxes each year? So 1 month have 12, 1 year have 12 months. So we'll take that, multiply with 12. Okay, and then you will give me the answer. Next one, how much of monthly income is left at each month after taxes have been taken out? Again, you can't take $2,400 home, right? You have to pay some taxes, so you have to subtract to get your monthly that you're gonna have. 10 minus 8 is 2. 4 minus 4 is 0, but I'm gonna borrow. And then I subtract 2 to that 1. So I will bring home 1,920. So when you get to 7th grade, this money that you bring home after tax is called net income. Okay, but you will know this more when you get to 7th grade financial literacy. And the money before the tax is called gross income. All right, so you learned something new today.